Hello, everyone. Welcome to another assessment for lab students. We are now on our final topic for diagnostics, pulse diagnosis. Let's welcome Mom Trix from Sampaloc, Manila. Good afternoon, Mom Trix.
Good afternoon, Doc. Good
Yeah,
afternoon, everyone.
good afternoon. So, what does the pulse show us? Or
It, show,
why do we feel the pulse?
it shows us that we need to use the radial artery to feel the pulsation of the blood to give us an idea of the statement of chi. And the radial artery tells us about the state of chi because it is
Hmm.
where the lung channels flow and the lung governs the chi.
Very good. So it's all about chi and blood, no? Pulse diagnosis is important for two reasons. What are they?
First, it helps identify the internal organ or channels affected or the prevailing pattern. And then second, it reflects the whole concept of chi and blood.
Very good. Actually, this is where one has to really master the art of pattern differentiation, no? Pulse diagnosis can actually help you formulate the pattern, okay? And the challenge there lies in determining what was the original problem. So this can be gleaned from the history. When is the best time to take the pulse?
At dawn, with during with yin chi is not disturbed, yang chi has not been consumed, and food has not been taken.
Okay, very good. Dawn. So we should teach our patients how to check their pulses, and they should see us if they see something unusual, if they feel something unusual. Independent of positions, the pulse as a whole reflects what?
It reflects the heart chi.
Yes, Archie. There are four aspects to the method of taking the pulse. What are they?
Uh, First is time. Second is leveling the arm. Third is equalizing the breathing. And fourth is placing the fingers.
Very good. The following factors affect the pulse.
The season, sex, age, body build, menstruation, pregnancy, and the Sanguan Mai or the back of the wrist radial artery or the Shi Fei Mai, the guan location slanting towards the back of the wrist.
Okay. During pregnancy, what to expect the pulse to be?
Uh, a little rat, a little
Slippery. Slippery. Kaya dapat maging pregnant ka na. Joke. And also, pag malamig, we
no
expect
plan.
it to be slower, di ba? Yeah. Joke lang ha. Oo.
Yes,
Season
of
pulse.
course.
Okay, let's talk about the season. Ang effect ng season sa pulses. Let's discuss it.
For spring, it is slightly wiry. For summer, should be superficial. For autumn, it would be soft. And for winter, it should be deep.
Okay, ngayon sa Filipinas, what do you expect the pulses to be? Like,
Superficial. Oh, right now it's not. It's slightly spring, so slightly wiry. Not. It's not that hot naman.
okay. Guidelines for interpreting the pulse.
Um, First is feeling the pulse as a whole with three fingers, feeling the spirit, with stomach chi and the root. Third is feeling the three positions together, first and then individually. Uh, sorry. Third is feeling the three positions together, first and then individually. Fourth is feeling the three levels. The fifth is feeling the overall quality of the pulse, if there is one. Sixth is feeling the pulse quality, strength, and level of each individual position by rolling and pushing fingers. And the last is counting the pulse rate.
Okay, very good. Let's go to the next one. When would be an example of a time where it would be useful to take the pulse on the nine arteries? Or when do you do this?
We do this if the patient is suffering from hypertension, caused by the rising of liver yang. It may be useful to check the pulses of the upper regions to determine the degree and severity of this pathology. Hello, Doc. Hello. You're muted, Doc.
Wala ko, Doc.
Doc, your mic is muted.
I'm sorry about that. What is the pulse felt on the radial artery?
Uh, the lung channel. Because the lung governs.
Okay. Parang mahina yung signal mo.
I can hear you naman.
Okay. What are the three sections of the pulse?
The first is inch or front. The second is gate or middle. And
Okay, very good. Next. What are the three sections, the positions of the pulse?
the first is the inch or sun. The front position reflects the yang energies. The second is the gate, one middle section. And the third is foot chi, rear. Positions reflect the yin energies.
The three sections of pulse diagnosis.
It's just, Doc, it's the same as
Yeah,
number.
the earlier one.
Yeah.
Assignment ng pulse positions to organs. So this time we have the organs. I think this is very easy, no? So for the purpose of review, let's discuss this.
In the classic of difficulties, assignment of organs to pulse positions follows the generating cycle of the five elements. So for the left is the small intestine and stomach, liver and gallbladder, kidneys and urinary bladder, and on the right side, large intestine, the spleen and stomach, and the pericardium and triple verna.
Okay. What is the common thread of pulse assignments? I think this is the same one. Like you just need to know where the burners are located.
It's the front sun position reflects the upper burner. The middle guan position reflects the middle burner, and the rear shear position reflects the lower burner.
Okay, yin and yang organs as reflected on the pulse. So let's look at the levels. No? So earlier we had the positions. Now let's look at the levels. And how do you group the organs there?
There
Super.
is an assumption that the superficial level reflects the state of the yang and the deep level that of the yin organs.
Okay, good. Okay, small and large intestine channels versus the organs in pulse diagnosis.
So the first is the small and large intestines are sometimes placed on the front and sometimes on the rear position. The second, the small and large intestines are probably the subject of the widest discrepancies in the pulse diagnosis, maybe because the connection between the two organs and their channels is looser than that of the other organs. The third is the small and large intestine organs are on the lower burner,
Okay,
while the
very clear.
channels are in the arms.
Mm. Clinical interpretation of the pulse in acute conditions and in chronic conditions.
In acute conditions, especially fevers after operation during infections, and the assessment of the individual pulse positions is somewhat less important than that of the overall quality. On the chronic, such as arthritis, the pulse qualities develop slowly, progressive changes associated with disease progression on resolution.
Okay. So the assessment of the individual pulse positions would not be very significant. The pulse is a reflection of heart chi.
The pulse as a whole reflects the state of the heart chi, and heart governs the blood and the blood vessels, and it is therefore natural that the disharmony of the heart may reflect on the pulse as a whole. Any irregularity of the pulse noted, hasty, hurried, intermittent, always indicates a heart disharmony, whatever the material organs that may be involved.
Okay, we're done
Natural,
with
sorry.
the three levels. What are they?
The superficial level, deep, and the middle.
So the superficial would represent the yin, the
The
yang, the
yin,
qi, and the
the
yang
yang,
organs. The deep
and then the
level,
reflects the corresponding yin and the yin organs, and the middle reflects
the blood.
the blood. And
If we say a pulse is weak, what does that mean?
it means that it is weak at the superficial level and therefore indicates yang deficiency.
Very good. Floating empty.
It's weak at the deep level and indicates a yin deficiency.
Okay. Hollow pulse.
It is empty at the middle level and indicates blood deficiency.
Okay. Empty, middle level, so blood deficiency. Floating pulse.
Um, it's too superficial and indicates a yang excess, which may be external or internal.
Okay. Firm pulse.
Firm pulse should be full, strong, and hard at the middle and deep levels, and may be therefore indicate blood stasis.
Deep and full.
Indicates the presence of a pathogenic factor in the interior and therefore in the yin energy.
According to Li Shi Chen, who correlates the superficial, middle, and deep levels, what is another way of interpreting the three levels?
This means that the whole of the superficial level reflects the state of the lungs at the whole of the
Okay.
middle, and then at the middle level reflects the state of the stomach and spleen, and the whole of the deep level reflects the state of the liver and the kidneys.
Okay. So if the pulse is empty at deep level in all positions, what does that mean?
We can deduce that there is a yin deficiency of the liver and the kidneys.
Okay, let's talk about the method of pulse taking. Let's start with the time.
Time should be early morning is best. The pulse is not yet affected by work, eating, emotion. The
Okay.
second is leveling the arm. Should be horizontal and not be held higher than the level of the heart. And then equalizing the breathing. If patient's pulse beats 3 times or fewer per practitioner's breathing cycle, it is slow. If it beats 5 times or more, it is less rapid.
Okay. Okay. The 5 aspects involved in placing the fingers.
First is placing the fingers. The second is arranging the fingers. Third is regulating the fingers. Fourth is using the fingers. And then the fifth is moving the fingers. Lifting, pressing, searching, pushing, and rolling.
Okay, let's talk about placing the fingers. How do you position them?
The 3 fingers are placed simultaneously on the radial artery to make an initial
Okay.
assessment on the strength, level, and quality of the pulse.
So initially, we would check simultaneously the pulses to actually
Yes.
give us an initial assessment of the pulse, the strength level and quality. Next, arranging the fingers.
Either spread the fingers slightly or press them closer together according to the size of the patient's arm. The younger child should be closer together, or our fingers should be in a bit. In the baby under a year old, we feel the 3 positions with a single finger.
Okay, to feel the pulse, which part of the finger are you supposed to use?
The,
Will you use the tip or
the,
will you use the finger pads?
the pads.
Okay. What determines the size of the blood vessel?
The chi and blood, and the reflection of the Zhang
Of
organ.
course. Strength of the pulse.
Uh, it's the chi that determines the strength.
Yes. So we immediately say if it's chi exit, yeah, chi stagnation or chi deficiency. What determines the length of a pulse?
The chi and blood.
Okay. Rate of a pulse, what determines it?
The state of yang chi.
Okay. Rhythm of a pulse.
It's mainly the heart chi since it commands blood.
Okay. I think everyone understands what rhythm means. I think last time somebody asked about irregular rhythm, no? So that means there's something wrong with the heart chi if you feel an irregular rhythm of the pulse. What determines the tension of the pulse?
It's the manifestation of chi and blood's heart blood vessel, not too taut or slack.
So it's still chi and blood, no?
Yeah.
Shape of the pulse.
It's the chi and blood ascending and descending
Yes.
periods.
A young pulse is, so when you describe a young pulse, how would you do it? How would you
Should
describe?
should be forceful in strength. It's in the superficial level. It's rapid and it has a long length.
So it should be long. Okay, yin pulse.
Yin pulse is weak in strength. It is deep, slow, and short in length.
Simple pulse.
The pulse classified by one factor in a pathological state.
Complex pulse.
Pulse composed by multiple factors.
Good. Superficial pulse.
It's an exterior pattern and a deficiency pattern.
So it's both, it can be exterior
Internal.
deficiency. So usually when you have superficial pulse, there could be empty heat, no? Yun, resulting from your deficiency. Deep pulse.
It's an interior syndrome.
Slow pulse.
cold syndrome and Qi deficiency.
Okay. Fast pulse.
It's a heat syndrome causing to be 90 to 140.
Okay. Excess pulse or full pulse. Another term for this is full pulse.
It's a excess syndrome of the Zongqi and evil Qi.
So both Song Qi and Evil Qi are strong. Deficient pulse or empty pulse.
It's a deficiency syndrome, weak and wide on all three positions.
Large pulse.
Due to excess heat and deficiency.
Yeah, there could also be heat indeficiency, diba? There's such thing as
The,
deficiency heat, empty heat. Freddy pulse.
it's Qi deficiency, blood, yin, and excess dampness.
Long pulse.
Um, it's an indicator of liver yang rising, excess interior heat, or
Yeah,
normal
long
for
pulse. Yeah. The patient kanina. Sige, don't worry. Yeah, because a patient came because of migraine. Usually, when you have migraines, it's liver yang rising. The pulse was long. Okay, just for your information. Short pulse.
it's a Qi disorder, stagnation or deficiency.
Okay. Rolling pulse. Rolling pulse is also known as slippery pulse.
That's a food stagnation, phlegm or dampness, excess heat.
Okay. Hesitant pulse.
Uh, it's an excess of Qi and blood, stagnation or food phlegm. For deficiency, it's blood or essence, threatened abortion.
Surging pulse.
Excess heat in the Qi level or the Yang Ming channel.
Okay. Abrupt pulse.
Excess heat, the Qi and blood stagnation, phlegm or food, Zhang organ deficiency.
Knotted pulse.
Excess yin, which can be stagnation, cold, vital Qi deficiency.
Intermittent pulse.
A declining deficiency in Zhang Qi or excess wind syndrome, pain disorders due to fear and fright.
Soft pulse.
It's of dampness or deficiency of Qi, blood, or yin.
Weak. Ay, paulit-ulit. Weak pulse.
Qi and blood deficiency.
Hollow pulse.
A loss of blood or yin depletion.
Okay. Or blood deficiency. Leather pulse.
Blood loss, essence exhaustion or absorption, metrostasis, chronic uterine bleeding.
Scattered pulse.
Qi exhaustion, Zhang organ failure.
Hidden pulse. Ayun,
Pathogen,
nako-confuse na sila. But anyway, this is only for your general knowledge, general info. Okay. Hidden.
pathogens, obstructing interior or syndrome, fainting.
Syncope. Yeah.
Syncope.
Firm pulse. Don't worry, I will
Interior,
give you the answer key later.
interior excess cold syndrome like hernia, lumps, or masses.
Minute pulse.
Deficiency syndrome of Qi, blood, yin, and yang.
Wiry.
Liver and gallbladder disease, pain, phlegm, or malaria.
Tense pulse.
It is of cold, pain, retention, or food stagnation.
Moderate pulse.
Normal pulse or dampness, spleen and stomach Qi deficiency.
Okay. Moving pulse.
Severe pain and fright.
Okay. This is the bouncing pulse. Swift pulse.
Hyperactivity of yang,
Okay.
excess heat, yin exhaustion, and vital Qi collapse.
What plays the most important role to form the pulse image?
It's the Qi, the heart Qi or zone Qi.
Pulse that is full of stomach chi. How do you describe it?
The pulse beats are calm, gentle, even with force, and a regular rhythm.
Pulse that is full of shen.
The pulse beats with a moderate force and even rhythm in a soft vessel.
Pulse that is rooted.
Pulse can be felt at a deep level on all three, Sun, Guan, Shi. Pulse can be felt at the Shi position.
Size of the pulse should be
Neither too thin nor too wide.
okay. Depth of a pulse.
Pulse is felt at the middle level.
Okay. So if you don't feel it at the middle level, what happens? So it's supposed to be deep, right?
Yes.
So if you feel it only, if you don't feel it at the middle level, but you can feel it superficial, that's superficial. Okay. Next, strength of a pulse means
It's beating force beneath the fingers, forcefully with moderate strength. Excessive strength is forceful. Deficient strength is forceless.
okay. It has to have a beat. It has to have a force, but not too strong, because the strength of the pulse will determine the pattern. So if it's deficient, the pulse is very weak. No, if it is excess, the pulse is very, very strong. Next, length of a pulse.
The how long the pulse is felt, short, long, or in between.
Rate. Rate or pulse rate.
It is how many times the pulse beats in a certain time.
Okay. Tension of a pulse.
Refers to the hardness of the blood vessels. A normal shouldn't be neither too taut or too slack.
Shape of the pulse.
So as the blood flows through.
Okay. Superficial pulse, andito na naman tayo. Also known
It's,
as
it's floating distinctly at the
yeah.
superficial level.
You're not supposed to feel anything there, but you could already feel it. Parang nakadapo lang. Deep pulse means
It's felt next to the bone, barely felt at the other level.
slow pulse.
Slow pulse means the pulse beats less than 3 times per breathing.
Okay. Fast.
Fast is 5 times per breathing.
Kapag 3, slow.
Per 3 slow.
Oh. Excess pulse or full pulse.
Should be felt in all three locations at all three levels, long, large, forceful, giving it a feeling of fullness.
Okay. Deficient pulse or empty pulse.
It is wide in size, without strength, lack intention. Pulse is forceless in all depths.
Okay, all three, huh? They should be weak on all three depths. Large pulse means,
The vessel is wide.
okay. Thready pulse.
It is small or thin pulse, a fine thread, but it's very distinct and clear without interruption of rhythm.
Okay. Long pulse.
Overflowing pulse. The pulse is smooth and straight, felt to extend distally and proximally to the usual three positions.
Short pulse.
Uh, can't be felt in all three positions, absent in soon or the sure position.
Okay. Rolling or slippery pulse.
It moves quickly, smoothly, and slippery inside the vessel.
Okay. Hesitant pulse, paulit-ulit, di ba?
It's slow, waved shape, but not smooth, or the rhythm is irregular, or irregular in strength and fullness.
Yeah, we have to repeat and repeat to master it. Surging pulse.
The pulse is wide and forceful
Yeah.
and fades gently.
Abrupt pulse.
It's rapid with irregular pauses.
Okay. And knotted.
The beats are slow with irregular missed beats, then continues immediately.
And lastly, intermittent pulse. Pagod ka na.
Yes. The pulse, it's slow pulse and weak, causes at regular intervals after the pulse, and the pulse waits a moment and then continues.
Okay. So when we get to observe the intermittent pulse, then we'll get used to this. Thank you so much, Ma'am Trix. I hope you did not
So,
become energy or chi depleted.
no, man.
Okay. So let's call on Miss France. Madam M. Nandito si Madam M, di ba?
I think so.
Nawala siya.
Ano, wala siya. Kanina
Ano
nandiyan.
wala siya? Okay.
She was there then.
Okay, maybe I could call Ma'am Susan. Ma'am Susan
Yes, no.
Valverde.
Sa
Yes, of course. Master na master.
Ay, ako po.
Yeah, I would like you to ano lang ha. Tsaga-tsaga lang talaga. Eventually, we're going to master all of this. So if you
Yes,
notice,
no.
paulit-ulit ang questions, no? Until tatatak sa utak natin. Okay. Okay, Ma'am Susan, let's go to 101. Soft pulse.
Pulse is superficial, then hits fingers without strength. Sorry.
So this is also known as soggy pulse. So it hits the fingers pero walang kalatoy-latoy. That's soft pulse. Weak pulse.
Weak pulse means deep within hit fingers without strength.
Okay, this is also known as feeble or frail pulse. Hollow pulse, di ba blood deficiency, loss of
Hollow
blood?
pulse widen the pulse when through the slightly hollow when seeking uh, the vessel of one fifth felt, but the center is obscure.
Wow. Have you encountered the hollow pulse, madam? Um,
Nung nandun tayo sa Lampto, nung meron tayong isang member
oh,
doon na
may blood
pinaano niya sa
deficiency.
amin.
Oh. Wala siyang pulse sa middle, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, you're so good. Next, leather pulse. You know, leather pulse is very common among the elderly. I've had a patient like that.
Uh, Pulse is large, thick, and wide. Superficial, string-like when touched lightly. Hollow when yun
Okay.
yung doctor. Mag-in yung presa niya.
Yes. Okay na yung boses niyo, madam.
Okay, okay na po.
Very good.
Unlike nung Monday.
Yeah, nakakatakot. Parang nakaka-stress. Scattered pulse.
Pulse feels wide, superficial, weak, and
Hmm.
without pores when touching. slightly under in distinct feeling boundary of the vessel.
So this is like kalat, scattered, hidden, nakatago.
Pulse not felt when touching, seeking or pressing only by pressing heavily against the bone beneath the end, bit to come beneath the bone and tendons.
Yes, ididiin mo talaga, kaya nakatago siya sa bone. Firm pulse.
Uh, High pulse, deep, thought long, wide, fixed, and deeply located can be felt by other levels of
Okay.
palalim.
Minute pulse.
Extreme leading and forceless pulse seems to be felt, them not felt like a fine thread, pulse become bold or deep level.
So this is also known as the faint pulse. Wiry pulse. This is also very common. How do you
Pulse
describe?
built at thought long and forceful maintains a straight line beneath finger. It's a string out.
Okay, string taut pulse. Tense pulse.
Rises fall with a strength, vibrates to left and right like a twisted rope, an even stretch, snapping like tight pipes.
Okay, very good. Moderate pulse.
Uh, Fully and it slow down, pulse beat us per 4 times per beat, smooth. Movement is slow.
Okay, great. Moving pulse, parang spinning beat or bouncing.
Bouncing pulse, rapid and slippery. To one position, the pulse is forceful like a beam bouncing, well defined. No head or tail.
Okay. Swift pulse. Ulit na naman. Mabilis.
Racing or basic pulse 7 times per beat. Gaya na sinabi kanina ni Ma'am Trix.
Oo. Okay. What does warm skin indicate?
It's a yang excess or a yang excess or yin fish.
So, pwedeng yang excess, pwedeng yin deficiency. Pernicious heat is intense upon initial pressure, but when you apply prolonged pressure, it becomes mild. Ano ibig sabihin nito?
Exterior heat, yang excess.
Interior heat. Very good. Pernicious heat, una-una mild siya, but becomes hot after prolonged pressure and spreads outwards. So, what is this?
Inferior heat,
Yes, or yin
independent.
deficiency. What determines the depth of a pulse?
Uh, Deficiency of stomach qi and yang qi shows qi and balance can flow freely from interior to exterior, as well as organ.
Very good. When the skin has deficient heat, anong ibig sabihin nito?
Skin is not hot, skin feels hot. Skin feels hot with heavy pressure down to the bone.
Okay, so empty heat. It feels hot, pero the skin is not hot. Empty kasi. Damp heat na skin.
Skin does not feel hot but sticky, feels warmer with a floating pressure.
Okay. Hanapin natin yan sa mga medyo malalaki ang ano. No? Skin in the interior heat, in the middle or burner, or hard?
Skin over a blood vessel feels that medium pressure but not with heavy pressure.
Medium lang. Okay. Pag may yang deficiency ang skin, ano ang pakiramdam?
Ice cold hands and feet.
Okay,
Same
nag-extend.
with the knees and elbow.
Yes. What about skin in young pull-ups? What happens?
Ice cold extremities with oily sweat, pale face, and uh, periplus pulse.
Okay. Skin in true heat falls cold. What happens here? True heat tapos falls cold.
Cold extremities, but temperature is not a warm.
Okay. The skin in young stagnation.
Cold fingers and toes that are easily warm up.
Skin in exterior cold.
Skin is not cold, but patient feels cold.
Okay, actually kahit anong gawin niya, malamig pa rin. No? Skin that
Okay.
is kidney yang deficient.
Cold felt in the abdomen and the back.
Good. Kidney yang deficient skin.
Uh, Cold section of cold can extend above the elbows and knees.
Okay. The skin in excess cold or cheese stagnation.
Hold only on hands and feet or below elbows and knees.
The skin in excess heat.
Hands and feet are warmer in the dorsal side.
Skin in deficient heat or empty heat.
Hands and feet are warm on and palms.
Okay, palms and soles. When distinguishing interior from exterior heat is when
After the last of hands
Horok ng
as a feet are hotter.
tubig. When distinguishing interior from interior heat is when
Mhm.
okay, hotter
Okay,
yung
to
palm.
palmar aspect of hands and feet, and one hotter than the
Okay.
one is hotter. Okay.
When distinguishing interior from exterior, the forehead is hotter than the palm. What is the pattern?
Exterior heat,
Very good. Palm is hotter than the forehead.
interior heat,
Yes. No, now alam na. Ha? Signs and symptoms for liver cheese stagnation. Let me tell you, this is very common.
distinctive face, hypochondrium, radiates relatively to the lower abdomen,
Signs and symptoms for liver fire.
pain, aggravated by pressure and hot to touch,
Signs and symptoms for liver abscess.
swollen red skin, tender and resist to touch or pressure,
Signs and symptoms for liver deficiency.
pain elevated by pressure,
Yes. So, Shaoyang pattern. Shaoyang.
sensation of neck below costal margin.
When the temperature is cold with desired
Hello.
alarm, it indicates
Cold syndrome. Cold
cold.
syndrome, doc.
Very good. When the temperature is hot with desire for cold, it indicates
Heat syndrome.
soft texture and flaccid epigastrium. Soft
Spleen
yung
and stomach.
yes, deficiency. Soft texture, flaccidity of the lower abdomen.
Kidney.
Spleen and kidney deficiency. When the texture is hard and tense at the abdomen.
Extra syndrome.
Yes. When the pain is aggravated by pressure.
Pain due to excess syndrome.
When the pain is alleviated by pressure, it indicates
Pain deficiency.
when the muscles are fixed and immovable associated with pain, it indicates
Due on peristalsis.
okay. The last one, I think. Mass that comes and goes, no fixed location, movable, indicates.
Mass due to cheese stagnation.
Naubos na yung boses nyo. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.
Thank you po.
Yeah. Of course, you will not be able to memorize all of this at one time, no? So we expect you to be coming back, repeating and repeating, okay? Until you master everything.